Robot and Attachment Design for FLL Submerged 2024 to 2025. Hello everyone, today is the 5th day of a 15-day series, building a robot using the Spike Prime base kit, set number 45678. In this video, I will be explaining the robot, showing the building instructions and example attachments. Let's dive in. The robot in question has a Spike Prime hub with 3 motors, 2 driving and 1 attachment motor. It has 2 of these wheel type thingies to guide it around, and its attachment motors just simply slips on, slip off, slips on, slip off. Let's go into the building instructions.